Very
really
good today.
good.
Seems like an exciting day. Can you tell us a little bit about what's going on?
Okay, we have a special live broadcast today with Lauren X. Stein, the pet show host.
Can you tell us how you got started?
We decided that this would be we could make a wonderful difference in the world in the pet rescue. We've been open about 1.5 years, and I think we've placed about 200 dogs.
Oh, that's people need to be aware that you can get a great rescue dog, whether it has a little special needs or it was ill at the time. They become great animals. They need that second chance to go into their forever home.
What services do you offer here?
Okay, so we're, as you know, we're a rescue retail, and we have a spa and grooming. So we do that, and then also our rescues. You know, they're vet checks because of the permits we hold have to be vet checked every 2 weeks.
Oh, nice.
So you're going to get a dog that probably needs to have no vet checks within the year, unless we tell you something about yeah.
Hi, I'm here at Fresh Paws with Paul Koretz, the 5th District Councilman. What brings you out today?
Well, this is very exciting because we're in the process of trying to ban the sale of puppy mill dogs and cats. And so rather than being part of the problem of overpopulation, we would like to see stores become part of the solution. And this is one that's done this voluntarily. This is an incredible place. There's so many dogs and cats here up for adoption. This is definitely going to reduce our pet overpopulation problem, and it's a huge step in the right direction.
Hi, I'm with Veronica, and this is her little rescue dog, Vice, although I hear he has a new name.
Yes, his name is Prince.
Prince
Bonbon.
Bonbon.
He's totally trained and he's very, very good. He just walks by my side all the time.
Does he?
Yeah,
Do you take him everywhere with you?
almost. He has a dog run at home.
And
he has a car seat. He has a carriage. He has a
He is a
everything.
spoiled little
He's
prince.
Very spoiled.
We are Fresh Paws of Bel Air. We're located at 2924 North Beverly Glen, Los Angeles. Our zip is 90077. Our phone number is 310-470-PAWS, which we love.
72997.
7297.
But you could always get us on the web at freshpawsofbelair.com.
Email us at freshpawsofbelair@yahoo.com as well.